Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is a popular one. We're going to be analyzing the S&P 500 chart. Now personally, I don't like to trade S&P because the structure is not really defined. It just keeps going up. When it breaks a new high, it's not always very easy to determine the next where it could be the possible resistance, right? So you're more or less locking in the dark. Like you just keep going, you don't know when it's okay to stop, right? If you're a newbie, it's a whole mess, right? Although you could use your Fibonacci extension to get next levels and all of that, but we just prefer to work with historical data, right? But that aside, let's see what we can do with this right now. Where are we currently? So we've been able to map up our charts already using every previous swing as a major zone, right? And currently we see that the price is out of the previous swing high that's broken. We'll call that this resistance area. It has broken the resistance area. It's at its new high, its new highest level currently, right? So how can we jump into this trade without burning our feet? Okay, so let's go straight to the weekly time frame. Let's see what we find. Okay, so we see how beautifully the price moved up from here, came down, and then it's gone up again. I think the S&P 500 is quite very easy to analyze, right? Very easy to analyze because it's almost in one direction. If it's going against you, if it's in a sell, you just have to take your time and wait for a better place to buy and you'll be cool. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we don't really see much as well. We just notice the price has broken and created new highs, right? So we'll keep that in mind. Let's get rid of this. We'll keep that in mind. I think this was a beautiful break. This candle was a beautiful break right here. That could imply that this is a strong break, but let's see how far this could go. That's the question. How do we get into the trade and how far do we think it's going to go? Let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you were listening, I said at the beginning of the video that it's not really easy to know where the price is going on S&P 500, where it's going to reverse, where a possible turning point could be. One of the best ways to do that is using the Fibonacci extension tool, right? That's what we're going to use right here. Well, currently we see how the price has broken this level after ranging for a bit here. It's going up right now. So we're going to have to two ways, right? We can find out our take profit level. I think the first take profit, one of the ways has already been hit anyway, but I'll just bring it to your notice, right? But firstly, for an entry, is best to wait for a reversal and then an entry. It's best to wait for a retest and an entry, right? It might not come back as low as this level, it could do a little bit of a retracement here and then break off new highs, right? Once it breaks new highs, just go into the trade. Your stop loss will be below the previous swing low, and then take profit level could be a first take profit level. You could use your normal reward to risk. Maybe you have a particular rate of reward to risk that you use based on your strategy. That's fine. Then another thing you can do is the size of this range it did before the breakout could really be helpful as well, right? So let's take this above. So that's why I said it has already been hit, as you can see. So this could stand as one of the take profit levels. So most likely the price is going to just hit that level and then reverse, right? You could just hit this level here and then reverse before going in for a major move. But the second way you can get the take profit level would be to use the Fibonacci extension tool. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we don't see any clear swing. So let's use the monthly and see what we find on the monthly. Okay, so this is the monthly, right? So we could take advantage of this. Let me use the Fibonacci tool instead. Firstly, let's see if the 50% Fibonacci was respected. Let's start from here up to this level. Cool. I think I should just change my coloring of my Fibonacci. Beautiful. So we see that the price respected the 50% level. So that's valuable information, guys. Really valuable information. So let's look at the Fib extension tool and see what we could make out of this. From there up to this level and back down to this level. Okay, so having respected the level, so these are possible levels, right? These are possible levels. So we can take this as the first level on the fib 2, this as the second level on the next fib 2, right? And then the third level is a little bit far-fetched, so let's leave that alone for now. So we could work with these levels, right? We could really work with these levels. So it will be beautiful to see the price retrace back here and then give us a move up to that level, right? So that was a quick one. We just decided to do a very quick update on S&P 500 for you guys. Right, so you can take note of the level 6366.71 for take profit. Okay, and that would be cool. Alright guys, if this video was helpful, you could subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on subsequent videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.